Hey, this be that monster shit, that be that monster shit. Jump in them, get them gone on that monster shit. Killer still on it, gotta go. These niggas on for this, and these niggas off to say, nigga, what you on for this? I just jump in it, nigga, the flows come, they gone for it. All these niggas say the candle's lit, so he ain't gone for it. The niggas light it up, nigga, fire light it up. Messiah go so fire, nigga, gone and light it up, nigga. I'm so quick to bust, the boys tryna fuck me off, but I don't care, leave them gone, leave them like they failing off. I be like, niggas keep on running, when I'm running gone, niggas off in it, I gotta get her, she gone, if she on. Take her to the crib and then I leave her home, then I get my stuff and go, damn, the nigga got to roam. Freestyles just the legion, they off them dome, off of their heads they ever spit, so when I'm off the dome, leave these niggas gone, like a question mark, what you guessing, nigga? This ain't no question mark. The bullets off the sea, they jump off like a shark, or straight up out the water, side bite, nigga, like a shark. Straight up out your kidneys, let me take you off of that, you bleed to death, nigga. Before that, I'ma demolish that. The track is still spitting, the guns are still spitting. I'm ducking from the bullets cause these niggas trying to get me. Cause they don't know for what, maybe cause they mad. And I don't know, it's cause your girl, she was bad, I just had to grab her ass. I don't care though, cause if you get mad, we can go and take it there though. Cause when I catch you by yourself, I hope your hands is better than your mans that you speaking when you gotta go. Then I get the box in my, hey, tell them what they talk about when they talking that. And when he ever get up in that figure, killer running that. And if he running that, niggas feel his heart, he pumping that. Gotta go, I gotta get them gone. Niggas when you get in zones, nigga when you talk about it, when you talking, let them go. You wanna get into it, I'm feeling whichever zone. That killers be off his head, killers be off his head. And they gotta pick them up. Hey, let me go and get these niggas. Let me pick them up. I'ma hit them like they ever figure. Killer never bust. Cause if you ever bust at me, nigga, that be your last stuff. That'll be your last bluff. Nigga, the cause that you ever say. The words that he ever put together, they don't never display. Hey, and you can catch it like he ever caught. But if you gotta do it, I'm at the bank. Nigga, I'm killing off. Gotta go in. This the second time, second for the trying, nigga, I'm gone, nigga, the lion grind. And the dragon still off asleep, I guess I'm waking him up, fuck it, the monster, he is the chief. The MC is on, the niggas get crazy. These niggas say what they feeling, they feel when they lazy. I tell them what you gotta say, these niggas gotta pay me. And I don't care, I'm raised from the grave, they still wave me, wave by. And how many of these niggas say I? If you say I, demolish niggas that wave I could take off and slaughter waves, nigga. I'm the hard hitter, nigga, the general hard killer, nigga. Take him just to lead him off, the head of the war, nigga, the seas when they see him off. MC, nigga, Tokyo Hunters on you niggas, man.